Draping instruction for the barrier knee arthroscopy drape from Mölnlycke Healthcare. Start by unfolding the table cover and place it under the patient's leg. Cover the leg with the stocking net. Fix it with the OP tape. Note the direction of the pictogram. Place the unfolded arthroscopy drape over the patient's foot. Reach through the elastic opening. Grasp the patient's foot and pull it through the drape. Unfold the lower part of the drape under the patient's leg and place the two elastic openings around the knee. Unfold the upper part of the drape fully towards the head. Use the adhesive patches to secure the film pouch. Attach the tubing as required. Place the leg in correct position for surgery. Draping is then completed. The drape can also be used with tilted table.